Tara,
Where is the elephant? Wow. Carabao, mana lang. Elephant. Goat. Where is the goat? Where's the goat?
Hello, Daddy. Gising ibi-sibi. Kap na? A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Tutu.
Ito.
Ito. Come na, where is the letter O? Letter O. When the letter O? What? Sleepy? Dog. Where is the dog? Where's the dog? Daddy, I lie down here because no power. What? Where is the car? Ball. Where is the ball? Balloon. Where is the balloon? Balloon.
Yeah.
Very good. Clap hands. Very good ang baby. Ball. Blocks. Where's the blocks?
Kanta naman.
Hindi ko tawa. Sino ba black sheep? Live happily you are. Stop na. Share, 3 bags for. We went the chicken. Chicken, very good. Where is the dog? Yes. Where is the pig? Very good. Where is the horse? Horse. Where is the horse? Pare-parehang na. Horse. Very good. Where is the goat? Goat. Goat. That's not a goat. That's dog. Goat. Where is the goat? Very good. Carabao. Where is the cow? Where is elephant? Very good. Where is the bear? Bear. Wow, very good. Where is the fish? Fish. Fish. Where is the fish? Where is the fish? Come na. Fish. Where? Find it. Where is the fish? Find. There, oh. Fish, oh. Oh, near the rat. This one is fish, oh. Come here, auntie.